I'll be doing my homework, which is administering vaccines or injections. So we have this biohazard bag that was given by our instructor. So we have our syringe and the different sizes of needles. I've already recorded some using the different sizes, and I only have here the one that was pulled out already from the clinic, because this one is not that safe compared to the other needles or syringe. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again, just for the sake of practicing using our orange. But in the class, we use the different, what do you call that? Like, I forgot what you call it, but it's like the skin. So we have the one for the intramuscular, the one for subcutaneous, the one for intradermal. So, but this one, orange is the most closest to our skin. So you don't need avocado, you don't need apple, because those are kind of hard. This one is the closest one to our skin, yung orange. Okay, so we're gonna do it as how we were taught in our clinicals. So this afternoon we had so much about needles and blood. Okay, so you're gonna open it. You just have to follow the instructions, or from the packaging. And I'm gonna be using the Vanish Point syringe, or maybe later, because I want to show my daughter on how to use this one. So I have this one opened. This one, this is the packaging of this syringe. This is good for 3 cc, I guess. That one. And then using one hand, just this side. Okay, so we're gonna open this one too. Kailangan daw masanay kami na gamitin yung isang kamay lang. Okay, holding this, you have to get your syringe, and then you have to put this one. Okay, so once you're ready, you have everything with you, then pwede mo na siyang tanggalin yung secure niya, yung yan. And then you can do it this way, or you can do it that way. Pero mas kabisado ko, or mas hiyang ako pag ganito. Feeling ko pag pataas, para akong mapupok. Okay? So this one is a 1-inch needle. So alam naman natin